Data analytics using AI techniques. By using various artificial intelligence techniques, and we are solving data analytics problems. So data analytics using AI techniques, we are using statistical techniques in this one, machine learning techniques and deep learning techniques. Data analytics using data mining techniques. So data mining is the extraction of meaningful data, and we are examining insights, and the examples are data summarization, association rule mining, and clustering and classification. What are the top 10 data mining techniques? See here. So clustering, association, data cleansing, data visualization, classification, machine learning, prediction, neural networks, outlier detection, data wrangling. These are the top 10 data mining techniques: anomaly detection, regression analysis, association learning, choice modeling, clustering analysis, rule induction, classification analysis, neural networks. Data analytics using artificial neural networks techniques. We are using ANN technique for classification. Based on human and animal brains, we are solving. They solve problems through trial and error basis. We are using various artificial neural networks techniques like learning paradigms, learning algorithms like conjugate gradient, quasi-network, quasi-Newton, steepest descent. Topologies like single-layer network, multi-layer network, networks with one recurrent layer. Then data analytics using machine learning techniques. We are using three types of approaches in machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. There are 7 steps are involved in this machine learning analysis: collection of data, preparation of the data, choosing a model, training the model, evaluating the model, parameter tuning, market predictions. So data analytics using machine learning techniques like regression techniques, classification. See, under supervised learning, regression, classification technique. Under unsupervised learning, clustering and dimensionality reduction. Semi-supervised learning, clustering, classification. Control under reinforcement learning, classification and control under reinforcement learning. Then data analytics using deep learning techniques. We are using CNN technique and recurrent neural network technique and LSTM, various deep learning frameworks. Most in demand jobs in data science, data scientist. See, once you complete this data science course, you will get very good jobs. If you want personal training, I am going to give you personal training or corporate training or any university or college training also I am ready to give you. And once my training is completed, you are becoming as a data scientist, data analyst, and a machine learning engineer, data architect, data engineer, business intelligence developer. These are the various jobs are available. Okay. So then these are the skills are required. How to become a data scientist? You need to have statistical knowledge, programming skills, machine learning, data management, communication skills. Then these are the data analytics using deep learning techniques. My screen is visible.